Welcome back, everybody, to King Laser channel. Check this out. Last night we had over 8 inches of snow, and I'm sick and tired of it already. I hope the snow melts right away. Look at the pond. I took the netting off the pond and I put 2 of these basically metal shingles on top, so that way they're protected from the birds. And then last night snow arrived, and look at what the pond looks like right now. This is crazy. Look at the other pond. Covered with snow. There's so much snow inside. Fish are at the bottom of the pond. So I still got that little pump running, so that way the water can continue to supply some oxygen, hopefully. Same thing here. Okay. There is a pump that I have on, and it's pumping the water inside, as you can see right there, so that way hopefully it doesn't freeze up completely. This is ridiculous. There's so much snow. I shoveled the little pathway over here and to the side of the house, and of course it's covered with snow again. So hopefully the snow would melt, and I'm hoping that my fish, my babies, survive. Already it's looking like a very ridiculous fall, and it's not even winter yet. Winter hasn't even officially started yet. That's the crazy part. Well, thank you guys so much for viewing this video. Let me know. You can see those 4 duckies and a little peacock inside. They're just sitting, relaxing, trying to get through this crazy fall, and it hasn't even been winter yet. And again, look at the pond. Completely frozen. This half of the pond is completely frozen with ice, and there's all that snow that's sitting on top of the other half of the pond. Wow. All right, thank you so much. Take care. Till next time. Bye.